Hey everyone, this is Melanie Queen from Queen's Falls Accounting, and today is day 5 of the 5-day QuickBooks or Wave setup. So today we're going to go over multiple users, which is just adding users on here. So if you want to add another user, you can add them here. And then we already talked about this, but if you want to add an accounting firm, you can invite them here. And then in QuickBooks, you go here to settings. Or sorry, in Wave, excuse me. QuickBooks, that's how you do it. But in Wave, you add users here. So you can just give them to be able to view only access. And then payroll manager, bookkeeper, and editors. Okay. And then anyone that's a family member, trusted accountant, anyone that's a business partner has admin, so full access to the Wave account. So that's how you do that. And then I wanted to show you guys the chart of accounts. So here in QuickBooks, the chart of accounts is right here. If you want to create a new account, click here to new, and it will have you create a new account. If you want to delete an account, you can click here and make it inactive. But this one should be able to, let's see, we'll find one that you can actually delete. Okay, so you can make them inactive. So like if you use them less often, you can make them inactive there. And then you can also, these are like called sub-accounts. So truck, and then there's depreciation and original cost. Those are sub-accounts of truck. In Wave, you go to accounting here too, and chart of accounts. And this isn't as clean shot. Like you have to just add each account in each area. So say you wanted to add an inventory account, you add an inventory account, you enter the information here. Another thing that you might want to keep in mind about Wave is that say you go to Target and you get some cards, thank you cards for your clients because they referred you someone, and then you decide, oh, I don't like these cards anymore, and you return it to Target. In QuickBooks, it will let you put in return in an expense account. So say you put that into advertising because you're thanking them for, referring a client. In Wave, you're going to have to create an income account for the return, which I know is annoying, but when you have income and it gets written off by the expense, they do counteract each other. So I would just create an income account for that and call it, refunds or returns, or you can even say advertising refund, just so that you can keep track of it. Again, Wave is not perfect. It is a little quirky, but it's free. So it has some great advantages versus QuickBooks is expensive if you don't need all the capabilities of it. So the next part I wanted to talk to you all about is if you feel like you're overwhelmed and you can't do all this yourself, I am here to help you. Since most of you added me to your QuickBooks or your Wave accounts, I have access to be able to view them and work with you. And I have options for email support or full-on bookkeeping on a monthly basis. So feel free to reach out to me and let's meet for a free consultation to see what your business needs and how I can help serve you best. And then we will go from there. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and let's keep in touch.